In this video, I will show you how to find downloaded Telegram files on Android. The easiest method is to save the file directly to your downloads folder. Open Telegram and locate the file you want. Tap the three dots next to the file and select Save to Downloads. For photos and videos, choose Save to Gallery. After that, open your phone's file manager such as Files by Google or My Files and go to the Downloads folder. You should see a Telegram folder containing your saved files. If you didn't manually save the file, Telegram stores downloaded media in its internal folders. Open your file manager and go to Internal Storage, then Android, then Data, and org.telegram.messenger, Files, and finally Telegram. Inside, you will find folders such as Telegram Images, Telegram Videos, Telegram Documents, and Telegram Audio. Keep in mind that some Android phones may restrict access to the download or data folder. If you can't see it, you may need to use a computer or a file manager that supports access to these folders. That's it. You now know where to find Telegram downloaded files on Android. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.